Hello. All right. Welcome to the third tutorial on this with regards to this executive chair. Yes, we did the design. The first tutorial, second tutorial, we're able to correct the surfaces in the backrest. Yeah. So we got this beautiful fillets here. And then now we're going to work on the seat. It's yeah, we're going to work on the seat because initially we did also a fillet, but we didn't like the fillet because the faces were broken or the fillet wasn't flowing uniformly along the line, along the edges. So we removed it. So we discovered that there are some challenges filleting it correctly. So now we are going to apply the same method we did to fillet the backrest, but the backrest is a bit straightforward somehow because it doesn't have so much curvatures and curves like the seats. So yes, so we start right away. Okay, first and foremost, we do this way. We can remove the mirror because it's good to work with one section of the seat, then we can mirror the rest part. Yes, so you can see we're done with that, and I would like to change the colors in this part so you can see it very clear or much better. Oh wait, we went to the wrong part. See this one, we'll change the color um, to something lighter, so we can be able to see the curvatures and the, yes, and why it's a problem. So like if you look here, you can see that these faces aren't so smooth. Yes, so we start by, let's hide the other parts, the plastic part and the backrest, so we can work just with the seat. All right, so that's it. So that's the seat that I want to work with. Okay, let's start right away with doing a surface delete. Like I said before, there are three options, but we prefer the delete, so it becomes a surface again. Delete and patch, okay, but sometimes because of the surface it may not work, and delete and fill may not equally work. So we highlight this part, faces manually, and then yeah, and right away we say delete these faces. So we are back to a surface, and we could the for the backrest we use the boundary feature, but that's the difference between boundary and loft. Um, in this case, we'll prefer the loft because in loft we can build it in different segments, and it works very beautiful doing that way in loft. Whereas in boundaries, I think personally that it works like doing the whole thing, the whole edges at the same time in boundary, but in loft, but that's not going to work because I know it's going to have problem. We tested it, so we built in with we built with lofts, which will enable us to work through these edges in segments. Like this is segment, this is segment, this is segment, just like that, and it will give us a final, a much better surface to be able to fill it. All right, so we have already done face delete, so we go in. Another thing we can try is to use a 3D sketch to add sketches of the positions that we will be able, that will be lofting, and 3D sketch will work better here because this we have curved surface, and the curvatures is faster and better to work in 3D, so we can snap it correctly. Let's say that way. So that's first one. Then we can take the next one. So next one. So We will delete the 3D sketches if they aren't needed in the lofting. So, but for now, let's just put in the in the lofting. Yes. For now, let's just put it so we can, if it's needed, we can use them as guide curves too. This face is broken into 3, but we'll prefer to put it here. So let's see, and then put the last one. So okay, that will go in, and take surface loft. Let's loft this part first because this is critical part. So we don't need to use guide curves. You can just approve it because this is just a illustration or visualization model. So it's not like the manufacture model for to be used for manufacturing the parts. That's done. First loft. Yeah. So first test using the second loft. Do the second loft. And we check to what we have chosen. Our choices there. Alright, match tangent faces close loft. Okay, that's pretty good. No tangencies. Work over that. And then surface loft second one. Let's see. We'll do this one. Check this surface loft that looks like. Okay, lofted that, lofted this one. Let's loft this. Let's put a loft. Do a loft there. So let's loft this one. Select the wrong. So, okay. I want to close up this soft. Okay. So let's close the this other one. Insert surface loft. We need to test tangency in this one. So, and then let's see. There, nice logo. Okay, introduced. But let's roll off that. I think. Another thing we can do is when we loft too, we can test with curvatures tree. Okay. We'll turn on this one. Okay. Yeah, let's see. let's test other surfaces. Let's loft this surface. We should need a selection manager. We can get all the curves. See if we could use the edge is not snapped into it. We shouldn't come out with the selection manager. If that edge we could snap into it. Okay. Try to see. Let's see how curved that should be. Separate it. Okay. Then we'll do the other curve, other loft. Yeah. And test. I can't get the tangents there, so just leave it. In the meantime, just build the surface. Okay, then we're back here in the first one. To loft here. To loft it. As we know, we have to be very careful when we press when we are lofting, so that the connector's gonna be right. Okay, so we have 6 loft surfaces. Let's just delete the 3D sketch outside. For the purpose of this model, it's not really needed. I just want to make it as simple as possible. Let's try the knitting feature. Surface knit and surface knit. So this surface shouldn't be there. All the surface. Oh, great. So, let's see. Did we have the solid right? Yeah, because I know it's like we got a little bit of problem here with this first surface. We can split this surface and redo it. Okay. Got this one's came out right, it's going right, but the surface is creating some issues because this surface will require a tangency to this surface and also to this surface. We can test splitting it again. Okay. Yeah. Last split. We should try splitting it with as a patch. like we didn't even loft it. Okay, we didn't loft it. This was the first loft, second loft, third loft, fourth loft, fifth loft, sixth loft. Okay, that's like we didn't loft. Okay, so we didn't loft it. So let's loft that one. Form selection. That's the line. That's the reference. So then there's going to be an issue here. Let's test the tangents. There's going to be an issue here. So let's see how is that surface. Let's just check this surface with ecology. Check. Alright. Just manageable though. It's not giving us the best. Let's try to knit it and form a solid again. So knit this, 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 surface, and this surface. Go around and check here. Great. Gaps controlling it, not reading it. So, okay, gas control. Let's just see gas control added. Speed. So we got a solid for solid now. So I can rotate it. So okay. So exceed. So let's save that. Alright, so let's see if we can get a better result now with under features, fillet expert. Let's test with fillet expert. Okay. So we choose that one. Yes. Okay. The edge is not okay, but we can fillet it second later. Instead we can continue our filleting here. Continue our filleting here. So alright. So let's just apply that. And then we can use manual filleting to fillet. Okay. It's because of the tangent propagation on this part of this thing. We could also correct this, but this is just a tutorial, so let's just manage it. It's not as bad. I mean, it's much better than what we had before. And yeah, I think the walls are pretty fine now. Yeah. And then what next? We go back and light up the plastic and the other part of the backrest. And then one other thing we can know also in SolidWorks is that since we want this one to have the same color with this, we can just copy that color, copy the color, and go back to this one and paste it. didn't go there. We copy it. Oh, went back to copy. Okay, we copy this color and go back to this color and do paste. So, alright, so the next thing that is left is for us to do a mirror. So we'll go to mirror, mirror this part, mirror this, all the bodies, use the right plane, and then you know, we didn't yeah, these parts are all separated, so the plastic, so we must choose them on that direction too. Also, so choose the backrest, the plastic, and the seat, and then this. Okay, so that's our fully filleted executive chair or executive seat. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.